More than 4 villages were sacked by armed bandits in Bakura and Maradun local government areas of Zamfara state in the early hours of Tuesday. According to an eyewitness, Sani Lawal, the gunmen came in large numbers on motorcycles, rounded up the villages, and shot sporadically, resulting in the death of 28 persons, while others sustained injuries and were rushed to the hospital. The sole administrator of Bakura local government of Zamfara state, Aminu Suleiman, gives further insight.
More security personnel are needed in these areas if this farming season is to be successful. Communities affected include Kurunkudu, Malamawa, Dankule, and Gobirawa. Two things that happened actually. The first attack that led to the killings of about more than 20 people, and the reprisal attack that leads to the killing of more than 10 people as well. That's by the Sakai. So the number totals about more than 30 people killed.
A Zamfara state government high-power delegation visited the scene of the incident to assess the level of damage caused by the attackers. They promised to bring relief materials to the affected villages to alleviate their hardship as a result of the invasion.
To see, we're here to sympathize and to assess the damages. And the governor, he assured that, inshallah, he will bring the attention needed to the community for palliative, for their relief. And inshallah, I'm assure you that the more security will be deployed here to ensure the protection of the life and properties of the communities.
The attackers also killed cattle, destroyed foodstuffs, crops, burnt houses, and other valuables. The camera also captured some residents of the villages leaving to seek refuge in other safer communities.